This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the economical events plan for today. Today at 2:30 p.m. we have medium impacting news planned for euro related currency pairs. Then as we come down at 7:30 p.m. we have high impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. At the same time we have medium impacting news also in the same currency. Then at 11:30 p.m. we have high impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. So these are all high impacting news. So we'll see lot of volatility in US dollar related currency pairs. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now, and in yesterday's analysis we had analyzed that the current trend of the price action was in a bearish trend in daily time frame also, and we have noticed a price action to break this previous support level of 1786, and it is continuously in a bearish trend. But currently we are noticing the price action to retrace. The characteristics of price action is every time it makes a new lows, it always retraces and retraces the previous highs. Then it again falls further, breaking the previous lows. That is how the price action works. It never moves in a straight direction. Let us analyze the price action. Previously we had analyzed that from here it started its bullish rally, and price action was trading above this support line or the trend line, and over here we have noticed a price action to break the long-term support. So it is a clear sign that the trend is on the bearish side. And when we draw a trend line on the resistance side also, previously the price action had formed a triangle pattern finding resistance on this resistance line, and it had consolidated. Then we had noticed a very sharp move on the bullish side, and currently also when it started its bearish trend reversal, you can notice that it has taken support on this support line several times. Then finally it gave a very strong breakout from this support line and also from this bottommost support line, and currently it is on a retracement. Let us see how far it is going to retrace and what is the reason behind its retracement. So from this level the price action went on a bullish trend reversal. It has retraced 70% of this bullish rally it has made earlier. So it has taken support at the level of 78.60 and it is on a retracement. And we already know that this line, which has acted as a support line, will be acting as a resistance line for the current price action, and also we have the very strong resistance line on the top also. So we can expect today's price action to retrace and to retest at this resistance line and to continue its bearish rally. It is only a retracement, it is not a trend reversal. So if you have missed your entry, you can wait for the price action to test this resistance line, and you can take trades on the trend reversal on the bearish side. I am again drawing the channel pattern, and currently we are noticing the price to consolidate at this level of 1766, and if the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be the bearish channel pattern support line and also the level of 1684 in the daily time frame. We had seen this level had acted as a support in the past, so this level will be acting as a very strong support if the bearish trend continues in daily time frame. So now we are very clear that the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is on a bearish trend, Wait for it to break this support level of 1766 in order to take trades on the bearish side. Currently we are noticing a consolidation. Maybe we can expect a retracement, then to continue its bearish trend. So these are all the resistance and support levels for daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame. In 4 hours time frame also I am going to draw one more channel pattern. So based on this channel pattern, we can notice that the current price action has taken support on this bearish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame, and it is on a retracement. So we can expect the price action to bounce back either from this resistance line from the daily time frame or this resistance line from the daily time frame. But in any case, that overall trend in 4 hours time frame is also in a bearish trend as long as it is trading within this bearish channel pattern. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to take support around the higher time frame support level of 1766, and it is on a retracement. I am drawing one more resistance line or a trend line for hourly time frame. So based on this resistance line, we can clearly notice that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend, and currently it is on a retracement for the fall it has made previously. Always price action retraces up to the previous low or the resistance level, then we can notice a price action to continue its bearish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to take support on the support level of 1765 and to start its retracement. And since the price action is still trading below this resistance line from the hourly time frame, the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend in hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, from here it started its bearish trend reversal. Then we have noticed a price action to form similar to one double bottom pattern, and we have also noticed a price action to break this resistance level of 1777. So if the retracement continues, we can expect it to retrace 100% because it will be a completion of the double bottom pattern which it had formed earlier. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has taken support on the bearish channel pattern support line from the 4 hours time frame, and it is on a retracement. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. In 5 minutes time frame also we have noticed a price action to take support on the bearish channel pattern support line from the 4 hours time frame, and it has given a bullish trend reversal in 5 minutes time frame. I would recommend you to draw trend lines to check the current trend of the price action. So based on this trend line, we are noticing the price action to take support on this trend line and to continue on a bullish trend. So wait for the price action to break this support line in order to take trades on the bearish side. Since this is a lower time frame, we are having multiple trends. So always follow the trend from the higher time frame to decide on the direction of the entry and exits. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. Currently we are noticing the price action in 5 minutes time frame to be consolidating within this trading range. We have noticed the price action to go on a bullish trend. Currently it is on a bearish trend. Wait for the price action to give a breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side to take a directional trade in 5 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and share this video with your friends.